Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to input your work or load your work in the A15 Pro monogram machine or embroidery machine operating system. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is to put my flash drive on the system, the machine, right? So put my flash drive. Then I'm going to come over to this place. Right? I'm going to click on here. Then when you look at it, the first thing that displays is the machine memory, right? But what we are trying to do now is to copy our design from the flash drive to the machine memory. Then when you look at the screen very well, you see a symbol like a flash drive symbol, right? Then you are going to click on it. So it's going to display all the designs you have on the flash drive, right? Then when I look at this page, the design I want to open on the machine is not on this page. Then I use this button to move to the next page, right? Then I'm going to look at it again if the design I'm looking for or the design I want to load on the machine memory is in the flash drive, right? So when I'll just come over here, then look at it. Then this is the design I want to input to the machine memory. I'll just click on it, right? Then I'm going to click on this button here, right? I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to display this. So this is the name of the design, and this is the number the design is going to on the machine memory, right? Then I'm going to click on this mark to load it. Now the design has now been saved to the machine memory. Then I'm going to use this button to go back, right? I'm going to click on this button, go back. Then I'm going to remove my flash drive. So when you look at the screen, you see that we already have our design on the machine memory. You can see that this is the design we copied from the flash drive. You can see it here. It's already on the machine memory. But now, the next thing we need to do now is to make sure the design is available to run on the machine memory, right? But before we do that, we are going to go back to the main interface of the operating system. I'm going to click here to go back to the main interface. So we already have a design on this main interface before. So for us to make our new design available to be able to run on the machine memory, we have to take out the design from the interface to make our new design available to run on the embroidery machine. Right. So the first thing I'm going to do now is come over here, click on this button. I'm going to bring a pop-up option to ask me if I want to cancel embroidery. Then I'm going to click on OK. So this design is now out of the interface. So the next thing I'm going to do now is go back to the machine memory and make our new design we just input on the machine memory available to run, right? Then I'm going to come over. This is where the machine memory is. I'm going to click on here. Now we have our design there, and our design is at number 93. Then I'm going to click on it, right? Then I'm going to come over here and click on this button. Then it's going to bring this pop-up to ask me if I want to confirm embroidery. Then I'm going to click on OK. The design has now been confirmed for embroidery. It means that our design is available to run on the machine, right? So I'm going to go back to the main interface of the machine and to confirm if our design is available to run, right? I'm going to come over here, just going to click on this button. Now we have our design displayed on the interface of the machine operating system. If you want to learn monogram or embroidery and decide in the right way, send me a message on WhatsApp with the number in my bio. So that's basically how to input your work or save your work on the A15 Pro embroidery machine or monogram machine operating system. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.